here we are out in Bangalore with the recently launched Ultraviolette F77 Mach 2. Now basically what the company have done with this model is upgraded it and made it a lot more efficient. It makes more power, its range has improved, and of course it packs a lot more features than the earlier model. Now we are going to get through some of these details in this walk around, and let's start off with the design. From the looks perspective, looks very similar to the existing model. Well, it pretty much is that, because nothing has changed on the design front. From the panels, everything remains the same. The suspension, the lights, the wheels, in fact, everything is the same. But you have the option of 9 different colored motorcycles now. You have 3 of the Shadow, 3 of the Laser paint scheme, and 3 of the Airstrike as well. Now this motorcycle can be had in 2 variants, which basically vary in terms of battery size and of the power the motor produces. So now the standard variant comes with 7.1 kilowatt hour battery, which has a range of around 210 kilometers on a complete charge, IDC of course, and the bigger 10.3 kilowatt hour battery, which comes with the Recon variant like this. Well, that will take you to a good 323 kilometers, the company claim, which is up from the 307 from before. Now prices for these models vary from 2,99,000 ex-showroom introductory price for the standard to 3,99,000 rupees for the Recon variant. So everything is pretty much the same, new colors. In terms of underpinnings, you have the same wheels, that's 17-inch wheels at both ends. Suspension setup also the same as before, that's an upside down fork, 41 mm up front, monoshock at the rear, both preload adjustable. So not too bad. Now coming to the display, that's the same screen as before, but of course you do have a different user interface, a lot more funky and interactive than before. So that's the new display layout for you. The same 3 ride modes of glide, combat and ballistic. And of course, coming to the features now, that's the major talking point of this motorcycle. Now you have 10 levels of regenerative braking that you can toggle between according to your fancy, and that is indicated right here in this corner. Now you have an efficiency meter, which basically works in tandem with the state of charge that you have remaining on the battery. It tells you whether you're riding efficiently as per your ride mode and as per the SOC that is remaining on the motorcycle. Now this bike also gets ABS, traction control, dual channel ABS, which can be switched off at the rear, as you can see. The regenerative braking, which I already mentioned before, and you also have traction control 3 levels, and you can switch it off completely depending on the level of intervention that you fancy. Now this motorcycle also gets dynamic stability control, which basically works in tandem with the ABS and your regenerative braking, so you're always in control of the motorcycle. It doesn't slip out of control, or it's not too much to manage. So that is a really useful feature. And also the Mach 2 now gets Ultraviolette's new Violet AI tech, which works on different parameters. Now it tells you it has crash detection, it has crash prevention, and it also informs you through the app if somebody's tampering with your bike, somebody sits on it, moves it about, or even if it's being towed. So that's pretty interesting. And it will also give you suggestions on how to improve your ride or ride more efficiently. Well, based on the collective data that this motorcycle sends to Ultraviolette, and it works that way. Not too bad, good improvement over the earlier model, but how it functions out on the road, we'll have to get our hands on it out on the street to really find out. So do look forward to our review, which should come in the coming months.